Brooke's Gold Award project focused on promoting emotional and mental health awareness through movement and dance. After researching the benefits that exercise can have on mental health, she created choreography, planned music, taught dances to teammates, and prepared lessons for workshops to demonstrate how movement through dance can help optimize mood. Brooke was able to build and bring her workshop to people of all ages, from students as young as age 4 to senior citizens living in assisted living facilities. Brooke's high school dance team will be continuing the project as part of their ongoing community involvement.
It definitely inspired the people that I went to and taught throughout my project that if they ever struggle with mental health problems, that they can use dance as an outlet to help them with their emotions. I just learned that everybody can dance, whether you're young or old. You don't have to have a certain athletic ability. Anybody can dance. Everybody loves to dance. If you just put on some fun music, it can just be a good time for anybody. If you're sad, dancing can make you happy. My name's Brooke Martin. I've been a Girl Scout for 11 years and I'm a Gold Award Girl Scout.